Now, Nmap is very powerful. You can see that it has the brute force utility. So Nmap -- script, and you can choose, as I provided in the theory part, we can have a brute force attack against WordPress, SQL, and FTP server. So in my case, I will choose it on FTP server. So FTP-root and the IP address of the machine, which is the metasploitable machine. So if I press enter, it will work. But it's better to have -p option, which is the port, and put the 21, which is the port for the FTP server. So like that. So Nmap -- script FTP root -p, it will be 21 for the FTP, and the IP address for the host or the machine. Now actually it will take longer time. So for now, as you can see, it is not moving at all. But with that, you can brute force the FTP if it is vulnerable, by the way. But this will take longer time. You know that because it is brute forcing after all. So it will take a lot of time. By the way, the brute force attacks is not the modern way to do the hack, to be honest. Because unless you have a supercomputer, don't do the brute force at all. Well, at least that's my opinion. Why is that? Because it will take forever.